So we started this project about 18 months ago. We're looking towards the NHS England net zero targets, where we have to have 100% of our fleet net zero by 2030. So we looked at those numbers and we decided that we would go one better than that. We thought that we could get pretty much all of our fleet net zero long before the 2030 deadline. Stockport Electrical were fantastic installing the charging points. They were really sort of responsive to our needs. We made sure that we mapped out the yard, made sure that we had the charging points in the right locations, made sure that we had the right chargers within there. We wanted sort of 2 quad chargers and then sort of dual chargers spread out across the yard, so we could make sure that we had room for our different vehicles. Everything runs smooth with the chargers, really easy to use and no issues with them at all. They put the chargers to the vehicles and we continue our service as we do with petrol or diesel vehicles.
Rolec have been really supportive on this project. All along the way we were discussing with them the different scenarios we had, and all the way now to maintenance and servicing, they're right behind us. The team here from Chris, who is the logistics manager, have been a great relationship. The guys have been really responsive to the EV charging, considering what they've had to go through converting to their EV fleet. It's been a great team effort to deliver this project.